Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a massage therapist in Austin, Texas. And today I'm going to talk to you about how Thai massage can help to improve flexibility and joint mobility and help to prevent inflammation and arthritis in the body. So arthritis is characterized by inflammation in the joints, which is usually accompanied by limited motion, a lot of discomfort, and swelling in the joints. For those of you that suffer with arthritis, you know what I'm talking about. Although arthritis typically shows up in our hands, knees, and spine, this inflammation in the joints can show up anywhere in the entire body and can manifest itself as issues like carpal tunnel syndrome, frozen shoulder, tension in the hips, which can result in sciatic pain, as well as pain in between the vertebrae all throughout the spine. So Thai massage is a really effective method for helping to relieve pain in all of the joints of the body as it helps to improve flexibility and mobility. So even though you may not be experiencing joint inflammation right now, if you find that you live most of your life sitting at a desk, driving in a car, or just living a more sedentary lifestyle, you may find that these kinds of joint issues become a problem for you later on down the road. So engaging in physical exercise, such as swimming, yoga, any type of stretching, or just taking the dog out for a walk, and receiving Thai massage and other types of body work can really help you to prevent these things from becoming an issue for you later on down the road. So if you find yourself suffering from joint inflammation and arthritis, or if you've already undergone hip replacement or knee replacement or some other type of joint replacement surgery, you'll find that Thai massage can be really effective for helping to relieve your pain and reduce that inflammation. And if you're not experiencing any of those issues right now, Thai massage is a very effective preventative measure to help you maintain healthy joints and mobility throughout your life. So stay tuned for some future videos where I will demonstrate some of the Thai massage techniques that I use to address some of these specific joint injuries. And I'll also give you guys some follow-along stretch videos so we can stretch together and loosen up those joints on our own. Hi, I'm Jen, licensed massage therapist and yoga teacher here in Austin, Texas. And today I'm going to demonstrate some Thai massage for you. We'll begin by placing the hands on a client's feet, taking a few minutes to breathe and ground and connect with your client. As I'm ready to begin, I press the weight of my hands into the soles of Cecily's feet to help her connect and ground into the earth. Using this compression in a rocking, rhythmic manner helps the client to relax more deeply and fully. Here I'm placing a firm but gentle pressure on the kneecaps and rotating the kneecaps in a circle. This feels very good for people who have stiff and tight knees, limited range of motion. As I'm walking my hands up and down her legs, I'm careful to make sure that the weight is evenly dispersed in my hands, so there's not too much pressure in one place. Compressing the weight into all the regions of my hand. From here, I will move on to working pressure points along the soles of the feet. Working my way from the center of the foot out past the tips of each toe. Working my way along the inner edge of the foot, I place pressure along the arches of the feet. With my leg supporting underneath her leg, I have leverage to pull her leg from the hip. I also have leverage to manipulate the ankle, as well as the toes. Once I've completed the work on the feet, on both feet, I'll come back to the center, walking my way up her legs again to bring her awareness back to the center. At the top of her thighs, I will place the palm of my hand on top of her hip bones, gently pressing my weight into her hips. Walking my way back down her legs, reconnecting at her feet. This concludes the opening sequence in a Thai massage.
Joint pain. We've all had it at one time or another, and it can be uncomfortable to say the least. But is there a safer, better alternative to this complex problem? Well, I'm glad you asked. The answer is yes. Researchers have identified some key building blocks in our joints and cartilage and have found naturally occurring sources of them in our environment. By adding these ingredients into our diets, scientists have found some wonderful results with regard to joint health.
Chondroitin is a major building block involved in the formation and repair of cartilage, the tough, flexible tissue that cushions the joints. Chondroitin also helps attract water into the cartilage matrix, which in turn prevents bone-to-bone contact, especially in the weight-bearing joints, such as the knees and hips. The optimum daily dose of chondroitin is 1,200 milligrams, which usually involves taking 3 to 4 tablets per day.
Glucosamine is found in high concentrations in joint tissues. It is used in the production of chondroitin. However, as we age, our bodies decrease the natural production of glucosamine. Therefore, supplementation of this joint structural component is important.
While individually glucosamine and chondroitin are effective, clinical studies have shown that the combination is particularly beneficial in reducing symptoms of joint pain and stiffness.
Sulfur is a component of healthy hair, skin, nails, tendons, and joints. MSM, a naturally occurring organic sulfur compound, provides the essential sulfur that is necessary to build strong collagen and therefore strong and healthy cartilage.
Celadrin is a patented blend of cetylated fatty acids. This category of fatty acids have been shown to improve joint range of motion, and celadrin is thought to exert its effects by enhancing cell membrane health and integrity, as well as by increasing joint lubrication.
I was rear-ended in a car accident, and my hip, my shoulder, and my neck on the right side were in constant pain. 2 to 3 times a week I was going to a chiropractor and it wasn't helping it. I started taking Flex and 3 days later my pain was gone.
What's great is that these compounds are safe and can be used on a long-term basis. What's even better is Agile's patented Flex. This formulation is a first because it has all 4 of these ingredients in one formulation. It's no surprise that Agile Flex was awarded as the best new supplement by the American Business Awards. Pick up yours today. You'll be amazed.